Hello friends, welcome to Shilpa's Pharma Knowledge YouTube channel. In this site separation chapter, in the previous video we have studied about the different sieves, size separation, different factors which affects the size separation, what are the different methods of the size separation, cyclone separator we have studied in the previous video, and in this video we are discussing about the elutriation tank, right? So this is one of the again important method for the separation of the particles according to their size. Now this elutriation method, it is for the separation of the particles on the basis of their density. The smaller size particles, they have low density, while the larger size particles, they have more density. So depending on the density, the particle size are separated by this elutriation method. And the instrument which we are using for the elutriation method, it is called as a elutriation tank. Now let us discuss about the principle of this elutriation tank. The separation of powder, it is based on the low density and fine powder, low density of the fine powders and high density of the coarse particles. So this is what, on this basis, the separation of the particle it is done. Elutriating tank, it is used to separate the coarse and fine particles after levitation. The first of all, the particles are levigated. Levigated means they are mixed with the liquid. They are levigated, and then after levigation, this material, it is kept in the elutriating tank, and they are mixed with a large quantity of the water. They are mixed with a large quantity of the water, and then these solid particles, they are uniformly distributed in the liquid by stirring. It is stirred, that solid particles are stirred so that they are uniformly what we can say distributed in that liquid, and then they are allowed to settle down. And then the particles are allowed to settle down. So depending on the density of the particle, the particles are going to settle. Coarse particles जो रहते हैं, they are going to settle down at the bottom, while the fines will float on the surface. So this is what the basic principle of this elutriation tank. Now see what is the construction of this elutriation tank. Now this is the elutriation tank. You can see it is a compact apparatus. See, there is an inlet for the suspension. There is an outlet. This is the outlet for the coarse particle. This is the outlet for the coarse particle, and this is the outlet for the fine particles. Now see, you can see this apparatus. It is nothing but a vertical column. It is a vertical column with a inlet near the bottom for suspension, and at the base there is an outlet for the coarse particles, and at the top there is an outlet for the fines, fluid and the fine particle, right? So this is a single separation in two fractions, that is the coarse particles are collected from the bottom and the fine particles are collected from the top. This is a single, what we can say, separation. If you want to select in a multiple stage, then these elutriators are connected with each other. This is one, like in multiple effective operator, अगेन सेकेंड इल्यूट्रेटर यहाँ पे, फिर थर्ड इल्यूट्रेटर यहाँ पे, फिर फोर्थ इल्यूट्रेटर यहाँ पे, फिर ये जो फाइन्स यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, इट इज कनेक्टेड टू द इनलेट ऑफ द नेक्स्ट वन. फिर यहाँ पे वो इनलेट सस्पेंशन का इनलेट करके कनेक्ट होगा, यहाँ का आउटलेट इट इज कनेक्टेड टू द इनलेट ऑफ द नेक्स्ट इल्यूट्रेटर. फिर इसका जो आउटलेट रहेगा सेकेंड इसका, इट विल बी इनलेट फॉर द थर्ड वन. इस तरह से जो फाइन्स है वो यहाँ से चले जाएंगे, वो इनलेट होंगे, उसमें से जो कोर्स है वो नीचे सेटल होंगे, फाइन्स उसमें से बाहर निकलेंगे. सो इस तरह से वन बाय वन एट द एंड यू विल गेट अ वेरी फाइन पार्टिकल्स एट द टॉप, एंड कोर्स जो पार्टिकल्स है दे आर गोइंग टू सेपरेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द साइज. सो दिस इज व्हाट द elutriation method or the elutriation tank series. Now let us discuss about the working. Now in this case, the material which is to be separated is first levigated. We have discussed before that it is the material, it is first levigated. Then this powder, it is kept in the elutriating tank. This powder, it is kept in the elutriating tank, and with a large quantity of the water, it is poured in it, and it is stirred, and that particles are uniformly distributed in the water. Right, getting it? Then they are allowed to settle down for some time, and at the time of settlement, what happens, the coarse particles, they get settled down at the bottom, while the smaller size particle, they will remain suspended in the liquid, and they will get out from top of that and if you are connected that illustration tank in the series, then top liquid which contains the fine particles will be entered into the second illustration tank as the what we can say material, as a what we can say inlet or a suspension through the inlet, right? So in this way we can collect many illustration tanks with each other interlinked, and we can separate out the particles depending on the size and depending on the density of the particle in various sizes, coarse, moderately fine, in this way. Then this was about the working. Now the uses. This is what we can say generally technique. It is useful for the separation of the insoluble solids. Insoluble solids के लिए it is used, and the solids are first subjected to grinding, that is the levitation method, right? And then for the illustration. Now what are the advantages of this? That this process, it is what we can say a continuous process. As the number of tubes you can connect in with each other, it is a continuous process. The separation is a quick as compared to the other methods of separation, and you can see here in the diagram, this apparatus is very compact, so it need a very little space, right? It needs a very little space as the apparatus it is compact. So these are the advantages of this method. Then disadvantages of this method the main disadvantage is that the suspension of the solid particles has to be diluted. This is the main disadvantage which may not be desired in certain cases. In certain cases we required only the dry powder, so in that case we cannot use this illustration method, and dilution of suspension may be undesirable in some cases. This is only the disadvantage of this illustration tank. So this is about this illustration method. So if you like this video, please do like and share. Thank you very much.